Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June. So we all know that one of the limitations of ChatGPT is that it is unable to generate results based on the latest current results that we are able to search in the Google search. It has a certain limitation where the data has been trained up until to 2021 as when you guys are watching this free courses and recording. However, there is one specific ChatGPT related Google extensions that can overcome this problem. They can base on the latest search results and the latest information in Google and able to do the analysis based on this data. So that's why I want to talk about this Google extension in this video. Stay tuned to the end. Alright, this Google extension is called Webchatgpt. So this is the extensions. So when you're opening up this Google extension related to ChatGPT, what happens is that at the end of your ChatGPT, when I open up, they will have this Webchatgpt extension available, and when you toggle on web access, which means you want to access to the latest search results in Google, right? Based on the searching result, they are able to come up with the recommendation. And you can also tell this web access of the Webchatgpt how many results they want to take in. So let's say you want to take in about 10 results, and it should be past month or past day or past week, or it can be any region specifically in your country. All right. For the default prompt, I'll just pick default prompt, okay? So when you toggle on this, what essentially you're telling ChatGPT is that you wanted to have the information based on the latest top 10 search result. So for example, I want to talk about top 10 tips in prompt engineering in ChatGPT. So when I click enter, all right, it will then give me all this information, and not only that, it's actually making references back to where it comes with this specific suggestion. So that's the reason why you're able to see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here that you're able to click. When it's actually clicking, it will go back to the article that mentioned about these specific tips. Okay, so this is how you're able to counter the problems that when you're using ChatGPT is based on the past results, not the latest current results. So this is also one of the Google extension that is super duper useful, especially you're relying the latest search results to come up with a piece of article or a piece of content or a piece of research, and I believe that this will help you greatly. So I hope that you guys loving this, and just I input the link to download this actually for free, the Google extensions, so that you guys can click on it. So as you guys, if let's say you guys been loving this free course on ChatGPT, feel free to actually invite your friends to take up this course. This is absolutely for free, or you can join my Facebook group at www.amazingstar.co, where I'm going to share even more tools for automation's needs. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video.